The 8th D, the most important D right now is digital, right? How many of you feel digitally challenged? Type in the chat box. How many of you feel digitally challenged? You don't know what to learn in digital. It is so overwhelming. What you must know, what you can skip, how much you must know, how much time and effort you should invest to know. Because whoever you are today, if you don't know the language of the digital world, there is no conversions happening, there is no conversations happening, there is no communication happening. In turn, no business. You will be soon out of your business if you don't come on board digital world, because that digital world is growing very powerful than the real world. सारा शहर मुझे लायन के नाम से जानता है, जानता होगा. If in that online world people don't know you, you are a nobody. That is why you need to orient yourself digitally. Indra says, I am digitally tech challenged. Dhaval is saying, I am tech challenged. Naresh is saying me. Margu Balam says me. Gopal Jaiswal is saying me, right? They want to be successful doctors. Brilliant. If you orient your communication, I have been taking your example, Jay, you will start getting more leads and more conversions. If you are able to put everything together from why, okay, the discovery to distinctive, okay, to whatever we have discussed, okay, the other D's, right? So right now I'm on the digital stuff. So what you must know in the digital, you must know the language of the digital world. Okay, there are 8 pieces of the digital puzzle, which I have already given you in the KDM Foundation course. Okay, that is why you must go through that course, complete that course. You have got hands on something very valuable. This session is free. If you, those who have paid 99 and come here, let me tell you that 99 rupees, let me set your expectations right. That 19, this program is free only. Okay, the only problem is if people don't take out money from their pocket, they are not serious. So that 99 rupees you paid was only to qualify your seriousness. Because I have been doing a lot of programs in the past 6 months. I ran campaigns, did free sessions. Over 12,000 plus people signed up. Over 3,500 people are in my learning management hub. Okay, but when those who don't pay money don't pay attention, and those who don't pay attention, they don't take any action, and those who don't take any action, they don't get any results. And because your growth matters to me, it is very important for me that you take action, because knowing is not doing, right? So that is why I'm going to be stopping everything that I have been doing in the past for free, because I gave an opportunity to people to learn for free. But I see that when it is free, there is no value. It is not important. Even 99 rupees, I see one paid lead is equal to 10 times free lead. So if there are 100 people who have paid 99 rupees, you are equal to 1,000 free people. You are equal to 1,000 free people, because free then there is so much of effort required to follow up, send emails, people unsubscribe, they forget what they signed up for. They put us in spam, even though they signed up for the program, right? So there are many challenges, right? So it is very important to understand the language of the digital world, the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle. I have explained that in depth in the free course that you have got. Go through it. Okay. How much of the digital world, right? And then what are your digital growth blockers? Are you camera shy? Okay. Are you not able to, does the systems drain you out, right? Then do you want to learn it, or do you want to outsource it? Most of the people want to learn themselves because they think that I can do it myself. Now ask this question: are you doing it yourself to save money, or you enjoy learning it? But trust me, I am a software engineer by background, having played key roles in software development lifecycle in telecom domain, knowing C++, Java, testing, architect of a product. But I didn't understand this new age tools, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter. And in 2017, I thought, I'm not getting enough leads, not enough people are coming, because I don't know how to use Facebook, I don't know how to use LinkedIn to generate leads. But the problem was not knowing the tools. The problem was lack of strategies, digital strategies. As an entrepreneur, you need digital strategies. And for knowing the digital strategies, you must know what this tool is capable of doing. What is Facebook capable of doing for you? What is a learning management system capable of doing for you? What does an autoresponder does, and how you can leverage its feature in your business? You don't go ahead and learn, become a master of autoresponder. You can do that provided you want to start your own digital agency. So answer this. Are you a knowledge giver or somebody who wants to make a career in digital world? So these are some of the powerful stuff that you need to ask yourself, because how much time have you spent to become a lawyer? 10 years of schooling plus 2 KG1, 12 years of schooling, 2 years 11th and 12th, 14 years, 4 years of graduation, 16 years. If you have done post graduation, masters, 2 years of that, 18 years. And if you are a PhD, another whatever. You have invested so much time to do what you are doing today. Digital world is like that. You can't master it in few sessions or few programs where they claim to teach you everything so that you can do it DIY, do it yourself. You cannot. These tools are continuously evolving because technology is evolving. You would have learned something and the tool would have changed its interface. So it's very important how much of the digital world you must understand.